Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Steam wallet to a bank payment method, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Steam wallet to a bank payment method, begin by opening the Steam client on your computer. Log into your Steam account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Account Details option in the drop-down menu. In the Account Details section, locate the View Purchase History link and click on it. Scroll through your purchase history to see your balance and transaction history. Next, look for the option to manage your account or wallet to check your current Steam wallet balance. To withdraw funds, you'll need to select a supported payment method. Steam primarily allows deposits into the wallet but does not support direct withdrawals to bank accounts. If you want to withdraw, consider purchasing a game or item and then reselling it in the Steam marketplace. After selling your item, the funds will be credited back to your Steam wallet. Once the funds are available in your wallet, you can then use those funds to purchase Steam gift cards or in-game items. You can also look for online marketplaces that accept Steam wallet codes for conversion to cash. Do ensure that you understand the terms of any third-party services before proceeding. Always follow Steam's policies to avoid potential account issues. After completing these steps, your funds will be accessible for further transactions or purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.